This is a demonstrator for Balex, so the boat will be used by Balex to demonstrate its wonderful auto-loading system. So the Balex auto-loading system is not only an innovative system, a New Zealand design system and New Zealand built as well, it is an incredibly practical way of launching and retrieving a boat. And with the Balex, you've got control right throughout the operation, whether you're launching the boat or retrieving it. It will even straighten the boat if you don't get it on quite straight. It'll bring it up straight, and it always comes onto the trailer exactly the way that it should. Really effective system for launching and retrieving your boat. The new Balex Marine demo boat, Yearboy, has been rigged with a Honda BF150 4-stroke VTEC engine. The Surtees Gamefisher 610 has proven a superb match for the Honda engine in both fuel efficiency and reliability. Surtees boat's industry-leading 10-year hull warranty is complemented by Honda Marine's 7-year domestic outboard warranty. Both are key ingredients for the successful demonstration of Balex Marine's groundbreaking automatic boat loader. Visit hondamarine.co.nz to find out more.